today. There's nothing that makes me more excited than to see all this stuff like everywhere. So listen, before you guys call me, this is what happens. Nicole, I just don't know if I can call her. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to not feel like I'm gonna cry when someone sees this mess. I have to clean before she comes in my house. I don't know what I'm gonna have to move. I don't know what I'm gonna have to donate. I just don't know how I'm gonna do this process. I don't know what to buy. I don't even know what bags we're gonna put it. Stop right now. You guys have to stop. You guys have to understand that when I come in, I literally see past your crazy. I can't describe it. It's like I see it. I hear you. I mean, I really sometimes don't hear you. I hear you, but I just want you guys to understand, judgment free. I don't see what you see. You see your mess. You see chaos. You see embarrassment. You see no solution. I come in and I'm like, that's gotta go. We're gonna donate this. We're gonna move this here. We're gonna put this here. We're gonna move this rack here. I'm gonna buy this bin, these hangers, and it's gonna be done. And then I'm gonna work my magic and you're gonna hug me and you're gonna be like, I should have done this a year ago. Trust me, you guys are going to love your refresh. So let's talk declutter, right? So first step, before you organize any kind of space, wherever you are, whatever room, whatever project you have going on, you cannot organize a mess. Declutter. We have to figure out the decluttering process first. And that's where I come in, and that's where I have tricks up my sleeve that work every time, depending on if you have a ginormous closet that is all over the place, or if you have a small closet that's a mess, or that just has a space that needs a little bit of refreshing. My process works every single time. First step to decluttering. You have to accept it and know that you're going to do it. Accept that you're going to declutter. It's a thing. You can't just come in your room and you can't invite me in your closet and say, okay, we're going to do this declutter if you're not mentally ready. Because when you get started, you have to make decisions that matter. I'm here to help you. I'm going to help you guide. I'm going to help ask questions that are going to make this super easy, even though you're making it the worst case scenario in your head. So accept it. I can declutter. Literally repeat after me right now. I can declutter. I can declutter. Because you can declutter. You have the power to make decisions that matter because you are going to give you a happy space to live in. Okay? So accept it. The next thing that I want you to wrap your brain around is donations. This helps tons of people that are struggling for making those hard decisions. If you are looking at all these clothes and you're like, well, this is just so super cute. And these stripes are still in, right? Maybe for Easter? I don't know. But if you're having those hard decisions and you know that you're going to be able to donate to someone in need, it changes your perspective. So when I come in and I'm taking your donations, and if you're doing a declutter in your home alone today, I want you to challenge yourself to think of an organization or a charity that is so important to your heart that gives you that happy feeling, whether it's you want to help out foster families, whether if you want to help out a church, whether if you want to help out some kind of organization that maybe you have partnered with or you're friends with. Make that a statement in your mind right now that when I get rid of 50 shirts today, they are going to go to someone who needs them, someone who is going to do a happy dance, literally, when they get your shirt and dress. It makes it a little bit easier to let go of those fines that you hold on to know that it's going to bless other people in the process, okay? Number 3, move quickly and ask yourself this. Do I use it all the time? And do I cherish it? Do I absolutely have to have this? That vase that I'm going to find, or let's see, I bet I could find this fur heavy leather jacket in Florida. Okay? Do I actively use this? Nope. Do I cherish this item? Did my great-great-great-great-great-great-grandmother use this back in the day and she loves it? She loved it so much and I have to keep it. Do I cherish it? If not, it's going in the donate pile and someone is going to bring total use and excitement to that item. Okay? It's that simple. Just ask yourself those 2 questions. If you find a vase that's got your great-great-great-great-great-great-grandparents' history in it and it's got 9 inches of dust on it, it might be time to let those things go. I'm just saying. So use it, cherish it. Use it, cherish it. Repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. Put it in your head because it's going to make you help you make decisions that matter. I'm telling you guys. So this is the process that I do once you establish those things. Make sure you do those first because this is a mental game. And then I just ask, you just trust the process. So whether you're doing this at home and you're going to use these tips and tricks that I share with you, or you're having me come in and help you make your home happy, you've got to stick to a system or you're going to go crazy and you're just going to leave all this stuff on the floor. Like you're going to give up. Okay. So here's the thing, decluttering. Once you've gotten over those steps, you are going to take everything out in order to go back in. Yep. I said it. Everyone always freaks out and they're like, seriously, like all of this is coming out to go back in. Yes, you need a completely empty, bare space to work with in order to figure out what you actually want to bring back in this closet and how to organize it. Because what's going to happen is you're going to say, yeah, I like this, and I need 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 this. And I still need these hangers, these wire hangers. I still need them all. And I'm going to say, no, you don't. Like, no, you don't. And here's what helps you. Okay. Watch this. When we take everything out, everything is going to go in categories. So all of your dressy tops are going to go in a pile. All of your black leggings are going to go in a pile. All of your work pants are going to go in a pile. All of those little itsy bitsy bikinis are going to go in a pile, because then we're going to go through those piles and you're going to tell me that itsy bitsy bikini didn't fit you anymore, but it fit you 7 years ago and you're still praying that you're going to fit into it. You got to let it go. You got to let that bikini go. And then when you see that you have 47 of the same pairs of black leggings, 3 are going to have holes in them. 6 are going to have like a faded little prickly, linty look to them. And then you're going to see the ones to keep. And you're going to be way, way, way more motivated to get rid of those ones that have holes and that are faded and that you don't love. Because when you see how much of the same item you have, you are so much likely to get rid of the others. So everything comes out in order to go back in, categorize it, then we are going to go through it. It's hard. Like you're sitting here looking at me like, Nicole, like it's really hard. Like, how do you go through all of this stuff and not be overwhelmed and have a system that works and it not take like 14 hours? Stay focused, stick to the system. Accept that you're going to do this. Donate what you don't want. Take every single thing out, and as you go through it, put it in those categories. And then if you're having a hard time, I get it. Like, I totally understand. Some people have attachments to things. I don't have attachments to like items, like clothes and stuff like that. I love to purge often because I love that it served me. I can donate to someone in need, and I love to buy new things. So I get that it's hard for some people. So you really have to focus, and you really have to just follow the system. It seems long, it seems crazy, but it works. Once you start to get in the flow, you're going to be like, Nicole, I want to do this like every week. Like, I totally want to do this every week. I want to go through my closet. Like my clients that I've had in the past, they do weekly go-throughs of their closet and they refresh it, and it's exciting. And then you can buy new things, and it just brings you like so much happiness to know that you did this. Like, you can do it. I promise you. And it just goes to show you, like, you need to value your space, right? So like, this is a huge closet. Like, I can literally like do a dance in here. This closet is like stressing me out. Like, there's just all different kinds of hangers here. There's all different kinds of colors. All the different clothes are like all mixed in here. There's random stuff. I don't even know what this is. Like, there's stuff everywhere. There's no function. There's no flow. You cannot come into this closet and feel happy. You cannot walk into this closet and say, you know what? I'm going to feel good today. I'm going to put this super cute black dress on and I'm going to have a great day, because you're not even going to be able to find it. Like, you cannot find this cute black dress in this closet. Like, it's not here. I don't know where it is. You know what always happens? Take a little walk with me. Oh, look. Here's the flip-flop that I was looking for like 6 months. Here's like some beads that I needed from like Christmas. I don't even, and here's a basket with like these makeup pads that I was looking for like in the bathroom to take off my makeup. Guys, like, you gotta value your stuff because you're gonna feel so much better. It's gonna affect your mood. It's gonna affect your day. I promise you, it affects you. It affects you mentally. It affects the way that you are all day. It might seem so simple, like, it's just a closet. It's just a closet. It's just clothes. It's just stuff. But it's not. It's so much more than that. So, raise your hand if you want a closet party, okay? Make it a party. Try those Halloween wigs on as you're throwing them away. Try those jackets on as you're getting rid of them. Try those bikinis on and say, this was fun when I fit into this. Someone else can have this because I need to buy a new one. Have confidence. Have those moments where you are like, yes. Beginning of every session, this is what happens. Okay, I tell everyone my process. I say everything's coming out in order to go back in. And you guys always have those drawers because, yes, I ask you what's happening in your dresser drawers as well because that does matter. I ask you what's in those drawers. My bras, my underwear, my socks. We don't need to go through those. Like, those are fine. Let's start in the closet. Okay, I go with you. Watch, I go with it. We do our system in here. We declutter. I help you make decisions that matter. We organize it. And then you say, so Can we like go through those bras and socks and underwear now? Because you get so pumped. You get so excited when you see that you are capable of making these decisions. You are capable of making a space that you're happy in. You are capable of decluttering. You are capable of donating. And you, my friends, are capable of organizing. Okay? So then I say, yep, let's dump out those bins. Let's go through those undies and bras and socks because those babies matter as well. And you are pumped and excited because you see how this works and you want to do it everywhere. And that's how you end up doing every spot in your home. Start in one place. I say start with the closet. I also have a pantry obsession. I will do another video on that. But start in the closet. Okay? It's the start of your day. What do you do when you wake up in the morning? I hope before you leave, you're putting on some clothes. Like, let's be honest. I hope you're putting on some clothes. And when you put on those clothes, you want to feel good and you want to start your day and you want to be refreshed. This is not how you want to start your day. Like, if this is the first thing you have to do when you get ready in the morning, how are you going to have a productive day? This is like help me, save me. I don't know what's happening here. It needs to be decluttered and it needs to be organized and you need a system that works and I'm here to help. So if you are looking at your space today and you just don't even know where to start, if you are unorganized, if you don't even know how to declutter, if you don't know what baskets and bins to put up here, I am totally your girl because I have a basket and bin obsession. I can see this space and I already know what hangers I'm gonna make you buy, what bins and baskets are gonna make this space pop, and what's gonna work. So trust this crazy girl's process. When I see your mess, I work my magic and I make your home super exciting and happy. So be sure to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, like my YouTube page and hit the red subscribe button. And you must ring my bell. Ring the bell because you're gonna always want Nicole notifications. You don't wanna miss a beat or miss a basket. Talk to you guys soon and I cannot wait to tie it all together. Bye guys.